Once again, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be presenting to you my final project. Here I have this is the description of my project, the detailed block diagram, the PCB of my project, the detailed schematic of my project, and a picture of my project working on breadboard, and also the flowchart of this project. As you can see on this side, I have four input devices, which is the temperature sensor, the LDR, the ultrasonic sensor, and the real-time clock module. My Arduino will be supplied by a 5-volt DC supply. On the other hand, my output devices will be my LCD display 16x2 I2C, 2-channel relay module, RGB LED, ESP, Wi-Fi module, and a servo motor. Here, the 2-channel relay module will be controlling two devices or two appliances, if I may put it in that manner. It is a 220 AC bulb and a 12-volt DC axial fan, which will also be connected through to the 220-volt supply by 12-volt AC to DC power adapter. If we come here, this will thoroughly explain how my project is going to work. The flowchart fully describes the working of my project. And here we can see that the temperature sensor will monitor the room temperature throughout the day and displayed on the LCD screen, while the real-time clock module will capture the date and time of the day and also displayed on the LCD screen. The first question will be, is the time yet to be 7 a.m.? In this case, if yes, it's not yet 7 a.m., we'll go to the ultrasonic sensor and check if the distance is less than 15. If the distance is less than 15 centimeters, the lamp will be turned off and still maintaining the polarity and still maintaining the fan to be off. If no, the time is more or past 7 a.m. or is not less than 7 a.m. We'll check, is the time 7 a.m.? Yes, the time is 7 a.m. And if the time is 7 a.m., the lamp will be turned off, the fan will be turned on and off at intervals of 30 minutes up until 8:30. Well, simultaneously at 7 a.m., we'll check the LDR to see if the light intensity is over 300, and if yes, it's over 300, the LDR will then inform the servo motor to turn to 180 degrees, which implies opening the curtains. But if you go back to our initial question, is the time 7 a.m.? If it says no, we'll then check again, is the time 6:30 at night? If it says yes, here we will then, the lamp will be turned off, the lamp will be turned on, and the fan will be turned off, and the servo will write itself back to 0, which will indicate closing the curtains. All the information that is shared throughout the running of the project will then be sent through the Wi-Fi module off to the cloud, and the process will start again the following day. We will now move to the presentation of my project, working of the project. Welcome everyone to the presentation of the project. As we can see, as we might say, some of us usually wake up at 7 But what if you want to wake up before 7 and your lamp is on? I put my hand within a 15 centimeter distance from the ultrasonic sensor, and when I move it, the lamp is turned off and indicated with a red lamp, with a red LED there, that the lamp has been turned off. I will therefore now wait for 7 a.m. for the curtains to be open and for the fan to start going on and off. Please notice that, or understand that, the simulation time has been reduced to a few minutes, and the start time of this project is 18:23, and 7 a.m. will be represented on the LCD screen as 18:24. I will now wait for 18:24 to strike before the curtains and the fan can now get into operation. At 18:24, as you can see, the curtains have been opened and this is then indicated with a green LED. And now this fan starts pulling out all that moisture that was in your bedroom and throwing it outside. And now the lamp is also turned off. This is 18:24 for demonstration time, but we can call it 7 a.m. We will now wait for 18:26, which in turn is 18:30 night time, but 18:26 demonstration time. Please note that the fan is going on and off for 10 seconds each, but real life we're looking at having the fan go on and off for 30 minutes. Oh, now while we wait for 18:26 or night time, have a look at our ThinkSpeak charts in data exchange. As you can see, the data has been sent to my cloud. Here we have the LDR, which is measuring the light intensity. Here we have the temperature, which is measuring the temperature throughout the day. And here we have the distance from the ultrasonic sensor. We will now wait for the set time, which is 18:26 on our LCD screen. At exactly 18:26, the servo will move in the different direction, which will indicate the closing of the curtains, and the lamp will turn off. Now, as you can see, it's 18:26, but real time we can call it 18:30. The lamp has been turned on, the servo has moved in a different direction, which indicates the closing of the curtains, and the fan has turned off, and all this data and information has been sent to the cloud, and everything, the whole process will start again tomorrow morning. Thank you very much.